Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see 4th standard looking around environmental studies in that chapter number 8. Ria reached uncle's means mama's home. In that main 6, in the previous video we have seen up to main 5. Now today we will see main 6. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Question number 1. Have you ever visited any seashore between beach to which place? Answer is yes, last year we had gone on a trip of Saurashtra through our school. At that time we went to the beaches of Somnath and Chorwad. Here you have to write down on that beach that you have visited, okay? That name you have to mention here. Question number 2. On what did Ria ride on the seashore? Answer is Ria rode a horse and a camel on the beach. Question number 3. Name the vehicles in which we need to buy tickets to travel. Answer is we need to buy tickets to travel in buses, trains, boats, ropeways, steamers, airplanes, and metro rails. Question number 4. Who had come to receive Ria's family at Vapi station? Answer is Ria's uncle means Mama and his two sons Shril and Arnav had come to Vapi station to receive Ria's family. Question number 5. In which languages is the name of a station written on a railway station in Gujarat? Answer is on a railway station in Gujarat, the name of a station is written in Gujarati, Hindi, and English. Question number 6. Where is Jampur beach located? Answer is Jampur beach is located on the sea coast of Daman. Question number 7. What did Ria see in the evening on the beach? Answer is in the beach. In the evening, Ria saw the colorful sky and it looked as if the sun was going down into the sea. Main question number 7. Answer the following questions. See the question number 1. Why did Ria's family take two auto rickshaws to go to Mama's house? Answer is Ria's uncle Mama and his two sons had come to Vapi station to pick up Ria's family. There were 4 members who had come from Gandhidham. So while returning there were 7 people. According to traffic rules, 7 people cannot travel in one auto rickshaw. So they had to engage 2 auto rickshaws. Question number 2. Sometimes at some place we need to take entry ticket. Think and write about such places. Answer is we need to buy tickets to enter places like movie theaters, circuses, drama halls, zoos, science cities, magic shows, museum, ancient palace, large gardens of some big cities, riverfront, flower shows, etc. Question number 3. What did Ria see on Jampur beach? Answer is there was a huge crowd on the beach. People were enjoying. Point number 3. Some people were sitting in boats and having a ride in the sea. Point number 4. People were riding horses while others were riding camels. Point number 5. Small children were making sand castles on the beach. Question number 4. What did Ria's family do on Jampur beach? Answer is Ria and her brothers made sand castles on Jampur beach. Then all of them sat in a boat and had a ride over the sea, rode on the horses and camels, and had snacks on the beach. They clicked some photographs and also recorded a few videos. Question number 5. Which details are given on a railway timetable? Point number 1. The details about the route of each train. Point number 2. The details about each station that is on the route. Point number 3. Details about when a train will reach a certain station and the time it will start from there. Point number 4. Starting from the first station, the distance between each station that is there on the route. Question number 6. Which facilities is there on a big station for passengers to get whatever information they want about trains? Point 1. The name of the train that is about to arrive or depart is announced on a loudspeaker. Point number 2. Number of trains names, the time at which and the platform number from which they will arrive is displayed continuously on a screen. Point number 3. To allow passengers to know which station they are on, there are large boards at both ends of every railway platform. The name of the place is written on many poles on the platform too. Now see the next page. See the HOTS question. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write its index letter alphabet in the box provided against each question. Number 1. Which of the following place is not on a sea coast? Option A. Daman, B. Bhuj, C. Somnath and D. Tithal. From these options, option B. Bhuj places is not on a sea coast. Question number 2. While going to Bhuj and Vapi, Ahmedabad station falls in between. If the distance between Bhuj and Vapi is 680 km and the distance between Bhuj and Ahmedabad is 359 km, then what is the distance between Vapi and Ahmedabad? Here you have to do subtraction 680 minus 359. So you get the answer option C 321 kilometer. Okay. Now see third one. How much time did Riya's train take to reach Vadodara from Ahmedabad? Option A 2 hours 30 minutes. B 2 hours 20 minutes. C 2 hours. D 4 hours 25 minutes. This answer you can able to find out from the table we have seen main 2. The table is given. Okay, from that table, according to that table, you have to give the answer. Here the option A answer is 2 hours 30 minutes. Number 4. Which letters of the English alphabet are used on a train ticket to show that a man and a woman is going to travel? Option A. M and F. It means male and a female. B. F and M. C. P and S. And D. S and P. To which alphabet? Option A. M and F. Here your chapter is completed. We will see your next chapter in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.